Hi guys, this is a question on the joint variation, and I want you to just pay attention, and I want to believe it's going to be good at the end of the day. Now, x, y, and z are such that x varies directly as the cube of y. Now, there's a relationship here between x, y, and z. Now, x varies directly as the cube of y. What that means is this. Let's come here. This is solution. What that means is this: you have x varies directly as the cube of y, that is y cube. That is what this is saying. And inversely as the square root of z. Now at the same time, x varies inversely as the square root of z. Now, you see, that is the relationship between x and y, x and z. Okay. Now, combining the two of them, we can say x actually varies as y cube and inversely as the root of z. Remember, this is a relationship, but it has not yet been confirmed whether x is equals to y cube over square root of z. Now, for us to confirm this, then we are going to introduce the equal to sign. So we have x is going to be equals to, then we have to introduce constant of variation k. We have our y cube all over square root of z. Okay, so we have now gotten what we actually want. And okay, we are told that if x is equals to 108 and y is equals to 3, then z is equals to 4. Now, this set of conditions that are given to us is for us to be able to find what k. Now, we move, we're going to have 108 is equals to, we are going to have k. Then we are going to have our y cube, which is 3 raised to power 3, then all over square root of 4. Now, having this, we are going to have 108 is equals to 9k, because okay, that is not 9k, that is 27k. Okay, so we have 27 because 3 cube is 27, all over we have 2. Then cross multiplying, we have 2 times 108 is equals to 27k. So therefore, for us to find our k, we are going to say 2 times 108 all over 27, where k is equals to 8. So we've gotten our k. Now let's come to this place. Now, since we've gotten this, then we'll now return back to having our k in this expression. So x is equals to 8. Then we have y cube all over square root of z. Now we can write it as 8y cube all over root of z. Okay, now let's move. Now you see this expression is termed as the relationship between x, y, and z. And at the same time, we can be called the formula that connects x, y, and z, which is very, very important in this question. Now, the next thing we are to do, we are told that we should find z. So we do not know z. When x is 400, is it 400 or 4,000? Okay, 4,000. When x is equals to 4,000, and y is equals to 10. Now all we need to is that we are going to use the formula that we've gotten connecting x, y, and z, or the relationship connecting x, y, and z to actually find z. So x, which is 4,000, is going to be equals to what do we have? We have 8. Good. Then we have y is 10, but this is going to be 10 cubed now. All over, what we have here is square root of z. All right. Now, if we do it well, we find out that we have 4,000 is equals to 8 times 10,000. Sorry, 1,000 instead. All over square root of 8. Okay, I think we are moving. Is making sense. Making a whole lot of sense. Now, so the next thing, sorry, you have to follow me carefully. This is z. Okay, so therefore this is 4,000 times root of z, then is equals to 8 times 1,000. Recall, root of z, by the time we divide both sides by 4,000, going to be 8 times 1,000 all over 4,000. All right, so you can see this 0 cancel this 0, this cancel this cancels this, then 4 here 1, and 4 into 8 is twice, which is 2. So we have square root of z is equals to 2. Therefore we are going to square both sides. Okay, this we do because we want to get z, just z. Now squaring both sides, you are going to have z, okay, is equals to 2 squared. So we have z is equals to 4. So that is the answer. All right, that is the answer. That is the value for z in the question. So it is actually very simple. I think you just go over it and you're going to get it perfectly well.